G'day, welcome back to Foord Offroad and my Nissan Patrol build. Today I'm going to replace the body mounts with some eBay spec ones because eBay is where you get all the good parts. Also I've got some genuine body mount bolts from Patrol Apart. I pretty much guarantee one of the bolts is going to snap because I tried to undo one just before and it wasn't looking good. First one, no snap. It's 1 out of 6. Going to be the only one that's not seized. Second one was a little bit tighter, but still, no snaps yet. Just pulled my seat out. You would not believe how long I've been looking for that. It's a cover for the top of the fuse box. It's under my seat, because that's where you keep the cover to your fuse box, obviously. It's good that I found that because I was going to have to make something to keep the water out. Keep going. So far I've undone 3 of them and it's been alright. This is what I'm worried about. And this one goes into a captive nut, so if it snaps, I'm pretty sure you have to cut a hole in the floor to get to the captive nut, so hopefully it doesn't snap. This is not looking good. This is going to snap. I just looked up in the car and if this one snaps you do have to cut a hole in the floor. Like I said, goes into a captive nut. And it's 370,000 Ks of rust. Holy shit. Oh my god, I cannot believe that. Far out. Whew. Can't believe that's not snapped. That was so tight the whole way. Hopefully that's the only one that's like that. So this is the setup. Obviously I don't want it in the sill, and normally I'd jack it up off the chassis, but I've got to separate the body from the chassis. So some jacks on some professionally made jack stands in the form of a wheel. Lift it up and see what happens. I'm not going to film doing the passenger side because that was a shit job and it's probably not going to be very fun to watch. I don't know. But that's what they're supposed to look like. That's the new ones. This is one of the old ones. So you can see how much they sag over the years. So again, not 100% necessary, but I'm going to do it anyway. And so I'm just going to do the other side and then I'll see you at the end of the video. Righto. Done both side body mounts. I don't know if this is going to be a video by itself or if I'll tie it in with something else. So I've done that. I pulled the seats out as well. And I'll, on the next video or maybe the end of this video, I don't know yet, pull the door cuds off so I can start bogging up or welding up the holes in the doors. I haven't decided if I'm going to bog them or weld them. Also, in a future video, I'm going to pull the lower control arms out and replace the bushes in because they are buggered. Anyway, see if you can guess what engine is under that cover, and you'll find out pretty soon. And this is Iva. She's been helping me the whole day. Oh, it hasn't been the whole day, the whole afternoon she's been helping. Having chat. Good helper. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more videos of me building this car, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also go over to Instagram and check out Foord Offroad. I'll see you next time. Righto, I also officially have an engine now to chuck in the Patrol. It is behind me on an engine stand. You're not going to see it yet. It's going to be a separate video on that and doing a couple of things to replace some gaskets. And I will tell you why I've chosen that particular engine to go into the Patrol and talk about a little, tell you some specs on it. That'll be in a separate video, and of course if you want to see that, you gotta subscribe. So subscribe and we'll see you there. So the videos aren't really that frequent because I'm just doing it in my spare time. And I've got to save up to get parts. I'm not sponsored by anyone for anything. It's all out of my own pocket, this whole build. So apologies if the wait time between some of the videos is a month or two, because this stuff takes time. See you next time.